Katherine from Kat's Green Kitchen. Thanks for joining me today. I wanted to highlight in this video really the purpose of my channel. Back in July of 2021, I watched a couple documentaries with my husband and we decided to switch to being plant-based. And I had to say, when I very first started, there weren't a lot of resources out there that helped make quick recipes that taste good and that actually are easy to make. I created this channel just to help provide a quick resource for you and really help you create easy meals that taste good. I plan on posting videos every week that will highlight meal prep and also a quick recipe, anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes to make. I am a working mom and I need to do meal prep on the weekends and then quick meals throughout the week for dinner that are easy and taste good and can convince a 2-year-old to eat them as well. Every now and then I will be posting more elaborate recipes on baking or a meal that maybe takes up to an hour or more to make. So if you have any questions or want me to highlight any specific recipes, put them in the comments. And I really hope you follow along and subscribe. Bye.